This is a shower curtain from the 1950s, and this is a shower curtain from today. If you didn't already notice, they're exactly the same. 7 decades later, and we're still dealing with the same problems. Mold, mildew, fungus. We were on a hunt for a fabric to replace traditional curtains that were just not getting the job done. Cotton, polyester, plastic. Ever been able to smell the plastic from a new product? That's a toxic whiff. But we found Tyvek, an eco-friendly material spun from recycled fibers used to protect building sites from the rain, while allowing moisture that's inside to escape. Tyvek is extremely strong. Think festival wristband strong. We send our mail in Tyvek envelopes. It protects our frontline workers. And it turns out that it makes for great shower curtains. From that, we made the new normal shower curtain. It has stainless steel grommets to prevent rust, weighted at the bottom so it doesn't cling to your legs like plastic wrap, and edge by suction pads to stop edge leaks. So, let's stop living in the past. Let's stop taking our curtains down and cleaning them with gross chemicals, or throwing them out and paying for new curtains each year. And let's move on to a new normal, one that gives us peace of mind and does the job phenomenally well. One designed to be the last curtain you'll ever need to buy.